So, just a little bit of information. Why not let them roam free? First of all, simply not enough habitat available. Less than 50% of the elephant's natural habitat remains in Thailand, so it's better than here. Elephants live around here, they're not chained up or anything. Nobody's standing on them, sitting on them. It's all good. That's why I picked this place. No sitting on elephants for me. Just checking in to the Elephant Friends. There we go. Oh, look at this.
We have to walk a little bit.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes, got to walk over a bridge. I saw the video on YouTube.
Go first,
Yeah, that's good, because I'll just have you in it. Wee. Oh dear me. This is normally an adventure for me, going over this wee bridge. The elephants can't get over here. Ta-da. I'm just going to our room here. Oh, look at this. Lovely. So our cases arrived before us on a motorbike. Yeah. And here is our number 15 for a couple of nights. Here we are. Lovely jubbly. Ah, this is our room. Special activities with the elephants. Elephants live around here. They're not chained up or anything. Nobody's standing on them, sitting on them. It's all good. That's why I picked this place. No sitting on elephants for me. This is a bathroom, a toilet. Oh, a shower. Just basic. That's all you need. The fan. And I should just show you the view. There we go. The elephant sanctuary in Elephant Friends in Chiang Mai. And we got our own doggy as well, look. How's you then? How are you? You coming? I've got no food though. So, just a little bit of information. Some information on the Elephant Friends, Chiang Mai Elephant Friends Elephant Sanctuary. I'm not reading this. They can remember other elephants and peoples for decades after they last saw them. Each elephant eats around 10% of their weight in food every day. Elephants need between 150 and 200 litres of water every day. Elephants can recognise themselves in a mirror. And elephants regulate their body heat by flapping their ears. How about that? I never read a thing. Asian elephants in captivity. Currently, there are 13,000 Asian elephants in captivity. Of course, the ideal situations for elephants is in the wild, but this is unfortunately not a realistic option. And there is a lot of info that I'll be able to find for you somewhere. I'll be able to show you so you can read yourself why it's not realistic. Even though I knew all that before, I've just found something I can show you why. Well, you can read. Hang on. Oh look, it just said what I said. Oh, that's very interesting. So if you screenshot all that again and read it, you'll be able to find out why this is a good place for the elephants. And we're going to do some of this tomorrow for all my fans. So I need you to all subscribe. There's special promotions at the moment, COVID promotions. So I'm going to do the full day. The full day will be shattered. Full day elephant care and picket waterfall and bamboo rafting. How about that? We're going to do all that. 2,200 baht. instead of 2,900. And we're going to do elephant wake up before we go. Right, what else have we got? Let's have a look at the menu. Oh, that's a foot, not my menu. Here's the menu. Put this down so you can see the menu. Get rid of that. Food. More food. 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 I want spicy paella salad without the spice. And more food. I've not tried it yet. Food. Food, food. I hope you haven't gone. I hope you haven't left me yet. Food, food. And coffee, drinks. What's drinks? Drinks is coffee. And fruit drinks. And have a quick last look, not my shorts, out my room view. How's about that? Banana so something up there about bananas, it says. He's filming us. I'm filming them and they're taking photos of us. I'm just having a little walk around now. As we swing. That'll be good. Swinging on. So what's this? Is this a picnic area? We're going rafting down there tomorrow. Let's have a feel of the water. Not bad, not bad. Oh, goodness me. Shattered. Hello. I wonder if this shame will ever end. Can't see any elephants. I already had a little walk and was shattered. So I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow when I've got the proper trekking to do. Oh. Going for dinner in the elephant sanctuary, see what it's like. I just came and stayed here without doing any elephant stuff. Hello. Morning. Okay, it's alright, it's morning in the UK, so that'll do me. Just waiting on my dinner. This amazing view where I'm in. I'll let you have a look. Right, what have we got here? We have got okay, pork, chicken. No, we haven't. We've got chicken. Chicken in thick sauce, ground peanut and coconut milk. There we go. Have a look at this. And some rice. Maybe coffee. And let's have a taste of this. Looks good. Looks good. Coconut. Right, I'm gonna eat me dinner. Cheerio. There's Nelly and Dumbo. Nelly, elephant packed the trunk to say goodbye to the circus. He went and trump, 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 trump. Oh, Nelly's coming towards me. Hello. I haven't got anything. I haven't got anything yet.